हेलो फ्रेंड्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। तो कैसे हैं आप लोग। वायलेंट विक्टर। वंस in India there lived a man whose name was Victor. He was very small and skinny, and everyone laughed at him and teased him about his size. This upset poor Victor a great deal, and he would get very angry. I may be small and skinny, but I have courage of a tiger, and one day you will all see how brave and violent I am, he would say. This just made everyone laugh at him more, and they started to call him Violent Victor. But instead of being ashamed of his nickname, little Victor enjoyed it when people called out to him in the street, "He, there goes Violent Victor," and soon he was known far and wide. Although and he had never done a brave act in his life. One day Victor he was sitting in his house when flies buzzed around his head. It was so annoying that Victor hit a few of the irritating flies and killed them fair and square. "There you see," cried Victor, "that is how I handle creatures which anyone me, for I am the great Violent Victor." The little man went all over the town telling everyone how he had killed these flies. Of course, everyone laughed at him, but he hardly noticed them, for he was far too busy boasting about his violent deed. In fact, the more often he repeated the story, the finally he decided it was high time he left and went to seek his fortune elsewhere. So the little Victor packed his bag and set off to find somewhere where his bravery would be appreciated. Violent Victor traveled for many days through many towns and villages until came to a place where the local farmers were being laughed by a rogue elephant. The great beast was trampling their livestock. He had even attacked the farmers themselves when they tried to drive him off. "Don't worry," said Violent Victor. "I will sort out this elephant for you. I am the great Violent Victor. Maybe you heard from me." The farmers shook their heads. They hadn't heard of him, and he didn't look at him was capable of fighting a fully grown elephant. But they were willing for anything to try to get rid of the beast. Hurrah for Violent Victor! They cheered as the little man set off, without even a weapon to fight with. "That's the last we all see of him," they said as he disappeared out of sight. तो ठीक है दोस्तों, मिलते हैं अगली नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।